Now I'm going to show you how to do a railroad. Okay, so what that means is you're going to start with the bar or a plate on each side, whatever. I'm going to tell you what weight to start with in your program. Okay, so let's say, for example, leg press, you'd start with a 45 on each side, do 10 reps, and another 45 on each side, do 20, another 45 on each side, 30, another 45 on each side, do 40, another 45 on each side, do 50, then go back down. So take 45 off each side, do 40, take a 45 off each side, do 30, take a 45 off each side, do 20, 45 off each side, and do 10. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that really quick with shrugs. So we're gonna start with the bar, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna add a 10 to each side. Actually, we'll just do 5. Okay, so we're adding weight. The idea too is, you want to add the same amount of weight each set. Okay, so now we're going to do 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to add another 5 to each side. Now we're going to do 30. Thirteen, 15, starting to burn, gonna rest for a little bit. That's totally fine, okay? The idea is you want to keep going even if you have to take breaks, okay? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And add another 5 to each side. We're going to go ahead and do 40 reps. Okay, that's 30. 10 more. Okay, 40 reps. We're going to add another 5 to each side and do 50. Okay, we're gonna look at 25, so we're halfway. Two more. Okay. Take a 5 off each side. Okay, now we're going to do 40. Get a rest for a little bit. Alright. 40. Okay, we're at 30, so we got 10 more. Okay. Take 5 off each side. We're going to do 30 reps. Right here. Okay, 30. Take a 5 off each side. Now we're going to hit 20 reps. So that's 20. Now we're going to go back down to our initial weight and hit 10. Right here. Awesome. That's how you railroad.